All these Ibis birds. It's neat to see them all together like this. Hopefully in these shots come out. There's two little mallards right there. If one flies, they all fly. I'm creeping up inch by inch just to get a closer shot of these birds. I'm telling you, if one goes, they all go. If you see in the background back there, that's a bird sanctuary. This is where all these birds will be tonight. And it'll look like snow has fallen over the bird sanctuary. These guys are just flying to the other side. There goes the mallards. Where's that turkey at? Oh, I guess he's trying to get my attention. God. There they go. Nope. That's about enough. Let them have their piece. Turkey.